SC6090 Flatbed Cutter Plus 60 RUV DTF Printer equals Zero Error Crystal Label Solution. From printing to cutting, achieve a perfect closed loop. The 60R Star 4 UV DTF printer uses UV ink, curing instantly after printing. The prints are vivid and durable, laying a solid foundation for precise cutting. The SC6090 Flatbed Cutter is equipped with a high-precision CCD camera vision system, enabling fully automatic and highly accurate cutting. When cutting multi-layer materials, different cutting pressures can be applied to each layer according to specific requirements. Look, this is the intelligent cutting effect, easy to peel and stick. This time, we'll be cutting 2 layers of film. Sharp and smooth cutting edges ensure every cut is clean and burr-free. This high-adhesion crystal sticker sticks perfectly to your phone cases, acrylic sheets, mirrors, and other creative products. Follow us to unlock more smart printing solutions.